welcome back once again. In my previous video, I have told you about the parts of a flower. In this video, I am going to tell you about the process of pollination which happens in a flower. So pollination is the process in which pollen grains reach to the stigma of a flower. And pollination are of two types. So let us look closely what is pollination. Pollination is the transfer or movement. It is the transfer or movement of pollen to the stigma of a flower. So the process is clear to you. Pollination is the process in which the pollen grains get transferred to the stigma of a flower. And pollination are of two kinds. Number one is self-pollination and number two is cross-pollination. So first one is very simple. In self-pollination, the pollen grains. In my previous video, I have told you pollen grains are formed in the anther of a flower. So it is anther. This part is anther and the stalk is filament, which we have already seen. So anther contains pollen grains. So when pollen grains gets matured, then anther opens to release it. Pollen grains are very light in weight. So it moves easily from this here to the stigma of a flower. So pollen grains move to the stigma of the flower. So this simple process is called as pollination. And what is self-pollination? The movement of pollen grains to the stigma of the same flower is called as self-pollination. Self-pollination matlab when the flower gets self-pollinated or when the pollen grains of the same flower gets transferred to the stigma, to its stigma only. This part is a stigma, which we have already seen in our previous video. So the process of transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of same flower, or the transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma of another flower present on the same plant. Alright, flower needs to be present on the same plant. So if this pollen gets transferred to the stigma of this flower which is present on the same plant, that will be also called as self-pollination. Alright, so the transfer of pollen grains from its anther to its stigma, or transfer of pollen grains from anther of a flower to the stigma of another flower present on the same plant is called as self-pollination. This will be called as self-pollination. Okay, self-pollination. Now what is cross-pollination? Cross-pollination is transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of another flower. Suppose that is a different plant and our plant is present at some distance of same kind. You have to remember one thing, that for the process of pollination, the pollen grains of one type of plant will pollinate the flower of same type. उसी टाइप का फ्लावर पॉलिनेट होगा उस टाइप के pollen grain से. So a hibiscus pollen will pollinate only a hibiscus flower. So the transfer of pollen grains from one flower, from anther of one flower to the stigma of another flower present on a different plant called as cross pollination. Okay, so it must be clear to you. Self pollination is the pollination which is happening inside the flower or flower present on the same plant, and cross pollination is happening between two plants. Okay, between two plants and the flower which is present on the other plant. And one important thing is that the pollination, this process happens only in among the flowers of same type. एक ही type का flower अपने pollen grain से pollinate होगा. So there are various agents also involved in this process. Cross pollination needs agents. Some agents are insects, wind, which is the natural thing. Insects, winds, animals, birds, and water. So we humans also help in this process. Humans sometimes human also contribute in the process of cross pollination. So cross pollination depends on agents. Most common one insect is a butterfly or a bee. So when a butterfly sits on the flower, butterfly or honeybee sits on a flower, then pollen grains gets sticked to its legs, and when that insect sits on the other flower present on different plant, then cross pollination occurs, and thus the agent, that is insect or bees, play an important role in the process of cross pollination. So that is all. Till here only I will take in this video. Thank you so much for watching.